Matchmaker Lege laments bitterly over Eniola. The Yoruba actor, in a live video, claimed that the actress had reached out to him to connect her to a man and he has obliged. He stated that most of the men on his live thought the actress was joking and were scared to profess love to her. However, a man reached out to him via DM and he connected them after Eniola consented to meet him and confessed that he was suitable for her. Unfortunately, he didn't know what happened between the two as they abruptly parted ways. Lamenting online, he complained that the movie star is too picky as he revealed that he can't find any suitable man for her. The revelation of Eniola hunting for love isn't surprising as in February, she had shot as eligible men. Taking to her Instagram page to share a gorgeous photo of herself, Eniola made it known that she is ready to mingle. She told admirers to log on to her. Eniola wouldn't be the first public figure Lege is helping to connect with a man. Last year, Lege had recounted how the estranged wife of the late Alaafin of Oyo, Queen Dami, approached him to help her find a man, and when he did, she complained of his work ethic. He stated that he was still looking for a man for her when he found out that she was dating Portable, and when he confronted her, she denied it. Defending his woman, Portable slammed him for disgracing her as he exposed the actor and his begging habit. In other news, Lege had advised ladies on the importance of early marriage. The relationship counselor, in a video on his Instagram page, noted how times have changed and women who are 35 years of age now experience menopause. Warning ladies to drop their egos and stop playing with men's feelings. He made them know that men are scarce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up like on Ododo TV, share it with your loved ones, and comment down below with your thoughts. Thank you.